In the vast emptiness of space, silence is the natural state. Planets drift along their orbits without a sound. Stars ignite and fade in quietude. For centuries, humanity assumed that if extraterrestrial life existed, it would announce itself with loud, unmistakable signals. Yet the universe has shown us that sometimes the most profound messages arrive not as shouts, but as subtle whispers hidden in the patterns of light and motion. It began quietly, almost imperceptibly, as a faint streak captured by the Atlas Observatory in Chile on July 1, 2025. At first glance, it appeared to be just another comet, a familiar snowball drifting through space. But within hours, astronomers noticed something strange. The object was moving at 137,000 miles per hour, far too fast for any normal comet and entirely unbound from the Sun's gravity. Only two other interstellar visitors had been documented: Oumuamua in 2017 and Comet Boris in 2019. This newcomer, however, was unlike anything seen before: larger, faster, and far more enigmatic. Within a day, telescopes around the world confirmed the truth. 3 Atlas was not from our solar system. It had come from the deep unknown. As instruments, including the James Webb Space Telescope, focused on the object, it began to reveal secrets that challenged conventional science. Its chemical composition defied expectation. Its movement was precise, almost deliberate. And buried within the light it reflected, scientists detected patterns, signals encoded not in radio waves or language, but in molecular imbalances and spectral anomalies. The object appeared to be sending a message, but deciphering it required understanding the universe's language itself. From the outset, its speed was remarkable. At 137,000 miles per hour, 3 Atlas could traverse the United States in under 2 minutes and circle the Earth in less than 8. It moved faster than any human-made probe, far outpacing Voyager 1, the first human craft to reach interstellar space. To reach such speeds naturally would require either violent gravitational forces from planetary formation or some other unknown mechanism. Its trajectory was a perfect hyperbola, slicing through the solar system with precision, passing close to multiple planets in a sequence that mirrored human-engineered gravity assists. The odds of this happening by chance were astronomically small. As astronomers analyzed its spectrum, the anomalies multiplied. Typical comets release water vapor, often accompanied by carbon dioxide in smaller amounts. But 3 Atlas exhibited a carbon dioxide to water ratio of 8:1, releasing 129 kilograms of CO2 per second compared to just 16 kilograms of water. In addition, instruments detected nickel emissions with no accompanying iron, something never observed in natural objects. The chemical fingerprint was alien, unprecedented, and raised a chilling possibility. What if the anomaly itself was the message? Even more unsettling was its precise timing. The object's closest approach to the Sun occurred when it was hidden from Earth-based telescopes. Its movement seemed orchestrated, as if aware of our gaze. Researchers eventually noticed subtle pulses within the spectral data, rhythmic patterns that repeated across multiple observations. These pulses did not resemble natural phenomena. They aligned with mathematical structures typical of self-correcting digital codes, hinting at intelligence behind the signal. Some scientists considered the possibility of an internal propulsion system or a deliberately encoded transmission using the object's reflective properties. The conclusion was unavoidable. It was communicating, but not in a way humans had ever encountered. The implications deepened when astronomers discovered gravitational anomalies. Background starlight bent more than its mass should allow, suggesting the object might manipulate its own gravitational field. Even more strangely, the distortions appeared to shift in response to observation, implying awareness. Could 3 Atlas be navigating intentionally, monitoring those watching it, and adjusting its presence in space? As the phenomenon gained attention, the effects extended to Earth. Observers began reporting visions of a glowing eye in the sky, eerily similar across continents. Some sketches mirrored the spectral emission graphs, suggesting a non-verbal form of transmission affecting human perception. Meanwhile, legacy satellites and abandoned observatories began activating inexplicably, their responses synchronized with the object's pulses. The possibility emerged that humanity's technology was built to respond to such triggers, whether intentionally or not. Time itself seemed to behave oddly near the object. Instruments calibrated to atomic precision recorded milliseconds and even seconds of discrepancy in the passage of light near its vicinity. Researchers began to propose that 3 Atlas might encode information in time, bending chronology as a medium of communication. This temporal anomaly suggested that nothing observed near the object could be taken at face value, challenging our understanding of physics itself. The real question is no longer whether we are alone. The question is whether something has been watching, waiting for the moment we could perceive its presence. And now, we have. We've heard the whisper in the void. We've seen the patterns encoded in light, in motion, in time. Whether it is a probe, a relic, a test, or something entirely beyond comprehension, 3 Atlas has changed us. It has shifted our understanding of the cosmos, awakened the long-dormant systems around our planet, and revealed that the universe may be far more alive and attentive than